Hey, my squad, welcome back to another project of the week. Before we get started, please go down below, hit that subscription button and bell so you know when I post a new video, live stream, or premiere. Also, like, share, subscribe. So today I'm going to show you how I make my little fridge magnets. First off, I usually just decide on the shape that's going to fit the picture or design that I'm putting on there. And today I'm going to put a rub-on decal on this one. These are some others that I've done, and I've glazed these. So these are the ones I'll be turning into the magnets today. But I'm going to show you first how I put my design on. So this is just a piece of clay rolled out on a number 2, I believe, and cut out and baked. So I take the decal, pull the backing off, and then I just decide how it's going to fit best. And for this little pineapple dude, he's going to fit best at an angle. So I lined it up where I want it. And then I just usually take my finger, or I'll take a popsicle stick, and then I just burnish it on. You want to be firm with the pressure, but you don't want to be too firm that you crack your clay. And rub all over. And then as I'm lifting, I slowly lift. And if I see an area that's not stuck down, I just go back over it. Just slowly pull up. You can always relay back down. Okay. So then I just make sure it's smooth down. Then I would take this and I would glaze this and let that dry. I already have a couple of those done. These have been glazed. So I use a couple different types of magnet to put on the back. I have some strip magnet here, and I have some leather cutters that I use to cut out my magnet shape. So I just decide, do I want a big magnet on there? Or I have some, these are magnets that I had gotten over the years from different places. This was like a white erase board magnet. These were just some magnets I had gotten sent in the mail. And I use those cutters and I cut those out as well. So for these two, I think I'm going to use a thinner magnet. Just because they're not that heavy. Heavier the piece, the thicker the piece of magnet you want to use. So let me get this out of the way. Okay, so I'll flip these over and decide about where the magnet should be. Make sure the magnet I chose is going to be good for this piece. That is. And some people use Loctite. I do that. I do have some Loctite, but for putting the magnets on, I use the Gorilla Super Glue because a little dot of this, that magnet ain't going nowhere. So let's squeeze the dot on, and then I just take my magnet that on top of the glue spot. And I'll push that down. And let that sit. Do the same for the other one. And I'll let that. Let's see. And it never fails. I always get super glue on me, y'all. And there you go. That's how I make my little fridge magnets. Now I'm not going to stick those down because they need to dry. But these are the same. This one was using a little bit thicker magnet, and then this one wasn't. So, if you liked the video, please go down below, hit the subscription button and bell so you know when I post a new video, live stream, or premiere. Also, like, share, subscribe.